Hello friends, welcome back to Python series. In this video I am going to explain about Python comments, what is comments and why it is required. So what is a comment? A comment is a message to someone reading your program. Comments are often used to describe what a section of code does or how it works, especially with tricky sections of code. Comments are very important while writing a program. They describe what is going on inside a program. Comments are for programmers to better understand a program. Python interpreter ignores comments. Comments can be used to explain Python code. Comments can be used to make the code more readable. Comments can be used to prevent execution when testing code. Now, types of comments. There are mainly two types of comments, single line comment and multi-line comment in Python. Single line comments. For single line comment, use the hash character. Multi-line comments. For comments that span several lines, you can use triple quotes. You can see in this Python program, single line comment start with a hash character and the whole string is in red color. While multi-line comment start with triple quotes and green in color. Thanks for watching video. Hit bell icon to get new videos.